Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Focus MK3 and we'll show you how to remove and replace the third brake light on a hatchback, and the spray nozzle is there located as well. You can see that's the one we're talking about right here. And somebody didn't install this one right. You can see there is a little bit of a gap and that shouldn't be there. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. What do you need to do, guys? You need to get a T20. Okay, that's what it looks like, T20 bit or a screwdriver, and you need to remove 2 screws. Okay, go ahead, do those. We're cheating a little bit with the impact, makes it a little bit faster. You need to grab it now and pull it out. It comes out. It has a few clips here and there, and now we have the wire, guys. So that wire, let me show you now again. You need to press down and pull it towards the back. Okay, and this one is stuck. You can see all the dirt here now. We need to remove the hose. That's for the rear windshield washer. Okay, so you need to be careful not to break that thing. It comes out of there. You can see that's where it contacts. It's not glued, it's just pretty tight. And you can see now, guys, that's how simple it is to remove the third brake light right here. So ours didn't work and we're going to replace it with a new one now. Stay with us, we'll show you how to put it together and see if this one finally works. Those are LEDs, so eventually they will go bad after a while. And we need to connect now the water line first, and then you need to install the wire. Okay, and you just go ahead and push it, but it goes straight like that because there is a little bit of clip here holding, so we don't have that gap there. Okay, and you can see that's what we need. Okay, that's it. And all we have to do now, just install the 2 screws, and we'll see if it works and if actually the rear nozzle sprays as well, because I always make sure it does, because if the line is loose it's going to come out and it will spray underneath it actually. Okay, let's see now. Second screw now, and let's go see if that thing works now. Let's give it a try and see what happens now. Okay, do we have, oh, brake light works perfectly fine, so that's good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.